bring your wardrobe back to start. And why is it so important? Every Wednesday, I come into my closet and I do what's called bring it back to start. And that is just spending a few minutes to organize and clean my closet. I like to do it on Wednesday because then for the very busy end of the week, everything is in its place. It's clean, it's organized, and I don't have to worry about a messy closet. Now, the key to doing this is to do it on a regular basis. The more you do it, the easier it gets. And so I call this bringing it back to start, which is basically just paying attention. Giving your closet some attention for a few minutes. And for me, it's just at this point, just putting my colors back together and pulling out empty hangers. I will pull out empty hangers and take them to the laundry room. That way they're out of here and they're over there where I need them. And really, that is what consists of me bringing my closet back to start. It used to be so much more. It really did. But the more I do it, the easier it gets. So, it is also helpful to put eyes on things. I love to ask myself 3 questions constantly about my clothing. Do I love it? Do I still love it? And I'm going for the 2-syllable love. And the other question is, does it fit today? And the third question is, have I worn it in a year? So the way I organize my closet is I have the season that I'm in my closet. So we are in the season nearly of summer, which is so exciting. And so I only have items in here that I would use for the summer season. That reduces decision fatigue. I don't have to quantify or make, the thing is, when you go into your closet, your brain will categorize everything it sees. It will remind you of the stories that you have about everything. And the more you are aware of how much energy that takes from you in the morning, the more inspired you will get to remove items from your closet that are not serving you right now for this season. So I don't have to have a story about a cashmere sweater when it's 90 degrees out. And so that's just one less thing my brain has to deal with. I don't have to decide not to wear cashmere because it's not in here. So that is, I'm done. I really need to, I don't know, I'm done. The more I do it, the faster it gets and the easier it gets. And so I highly recommend that you do the same thing. Once a week, go into your closet, bring it back to start. Bring it back to organized. Bring it back to the way you love it. That way, when you go into the busy weekend, everything is where it needs to be. Usually at this point too, I start to realize, oh, I may have some ironing that needs to be done. And so when I take my hangers into the laundry room, maybe we'll bring some clothing back. I learned about bringing things back to start from a good friend of mine. She had 4 kids they were all small, really small. And we were visiting them and they did what kids do, and they just went from one thing to the next, and before you knew it, her cute little house had blown up with activity. And the remnants of 4 kids hopping and jumping from one thing to the next. And to my surprise and awe, suddenly she said, "Hey, bring it back to start." I don't know if she used those exact words, but whatever she said, those 4 kids jumped to, put away all the toys, grabbed a book, and went to their private spaces, and suddenly the house was clean and relaxed and quiet. It was a miracle. So I take that principle with me into my closet, that once a week I spend a few minutes bringing it back to order, bringing it back to, and I'm always super glad I do or did on the weekend, because I can find what I need very quickly, and it's very zen. So my name is Heidi Gammill. I am a closet coach. If you would love to walk into your closet and just feel amazing about it, raise your hand, ask me your questions, and let's work together. So much fun. I hope that you try to bring your closet back to start on a regular basis. I hope it gets fast and easy. And I hope you have a fantastic evening.